bro. Yep, yep. Now we going to the game.
You want to see the balls fly in the air.
Yep, yep, yep. Hold it. No, no, hold it. Yeah. Now, trying to make my shirt look nice. Now show the people up here. Hey, wait. Let's introduce.
Hi.
What's your name? What's your name? Wait.
Jimmy.
And we got the couples. Oh shit. Looks like RJ forgot his wallet.
Hey, hold on.
Count. Tell Count what up, cause RJ forgot his wallet. YouTube. Except that Papa gets
No riding on sidewalk. I was gonna be feeling like.
Say hi. Oh, I don't know if you hear them, but it's going crazy. It's going crazy. Screenshot this, okay? Good stop. Look to the camera. Shut up, your mouth. Meme. Ugly ass. Do your eyebrows. Do your eyebrows. Give me that. Got it. I'll start.
Come on, one more time.
Alright, stop it. First pitch, but the game already started. Oh, intro. Oh, shoot. My fault.
The crowd that you heard in the background was cheering for me. They're cheering for me to go. Hey, brother, you got that?
No, we've been with T since day one of his YouTube career. I got you. Oh shit. Oh sure. Abang ada YouTube. Tiba dah. Oh, cakap.
You raw?
Oh shit. I'm about to fucking run into the thing.
I see Andrew Tate in there.
Andrew,
Andrew Tate, top G.
top G.
Look in there.
Right now, we are almost there.
That look like Austin. Behind.
All white, all white, all white, all white.
It's fucking Brad. What's up, Brad?
It's the baseball field right there.
Fucking Brad.
Yeah, hang on, he's ready for a base. He's ready for a home runner.
I want to hear my sign. Scream my name.
T. Come on, guys. What's you say that?
Hey, jump on the horse.
You can't.
T, ride your horse real quick.
Hey, you guys know that this is where the Sandlot was made? Sandlot.
Like, share, comment.
This is the Sandlot. You know that movie where they said, remember Sandlot? Remember Sandlot?
Yes, sir.
The movie where the guy was like, "You're killing me, Smalls."
You're killing me.
Like and subscribe. Where the hell? Oh,
God damn.
there's your ticket. Gotta give it to this gentleman right here. Yes, sir. Oh, thank you.
Thank you. Row 0.
Where are we sitting? All right.
T, show the way.
Oh,